Hey everyone, welcome back to your 15-day yoga challenge. So today we are on day 10 and this is going to be a really easy, nice, gentle, relaxing rainy day flow. We're going to begin in a child's pose. So finding either a wide angle or a narrow leg child's pose, settling into the practice here for a few minutes. As always, starting our flow with the awareness of our breath, bringing some rhythm into the body, breathing in through the nose and out through the nose. Keeping this pace of breath through the entire practice today. Letting your body soften. Allowing your mind to take a pause and put any thoughts off to the side. Beginning to relax deeply into the pose with the breath. Taking one more deep breath in. Exhale it out. Inhale, lift up if you had your head rested. Bring that right hand over, left hand to follow. And we're going to come into an extended child's pose here. So you should really feel it through the outside of your left side, in your obliques, in your shoulders, opening through your ribs, through your chest. Back to center. Inhale. Exhale. Switch sides. Taking a few breaths here. And taking our time through each pose. Not trying to rush anything or hurry the practice. Really take our time. One more breath. Exhale. Center. Inhale, press up, coming into a tabletop now. Extending all the way through those hands, fingertips. Maybe rolling out through the ankles. As we get into a nice, comfortable place today. So coming into that tabletop, I want you to look up, rolling it through a couple cat-cows. Opening up the chest on the inhale. Looking up to the sky, exhale. Roll it all the way under. Tucking your core. Moving through here a couple times. One more. Back to center. From tabletop, we're going to press our hands, moving them about a hand's width forward and shifting back to a down dog here. Beginning to pedal out the legs, gently warming up through the body. Extending all the way through the hands and the arms. I want you to find a neutral place and take 5 deep breaths. Take one more deep breath in. Exhale, shift forward, bend the knees, plant the knees down. We're going to come into a seat now. Maybe rolling through the wrists a couple times. Stretch out the arms. Maybe a couple shoulder rolls back and forth. And then we're going to take a deep breath in. Exhale. Place the left hand on the right knee. We're going to be shifting into a spinal twist. Bringing the right hand behind the body. Take 3 deep breaths here. Easing into the twist without forcing or pushing through any pain. One more breath in and out. Back to center. Exhale. Inhale, switch sides. 3 more breaths. One more. Exhale, back to center. We're going to be shifting over into a butterfly stretch now. So if you want a deeper stretch, you can bring your feet closer. If you want a little bit more of an opening, you can push your feet farther. But find a spot that feels right for you. So if you want to stay tall, you can, or you can fold over the legs. Breathing into this pose. Allowing your breath to guide you, yet help you feel relaxed at the same time. Letting each breath echo through your body. And warm your body as it moves through. One more deep breath in and out. Opening the eyes if you had them closed, coming back to center. We're going to switch over into a head to foot pose now. So extending one leg long. I'm going to start with my right leg, keeping a subtle bend in my leg so I'm protecting that joint. I'm going to face towards the leg, keeping a nice active foot, and we're gently going to fold over. We can stay tall, we can gently fold a little bit, or we can go all the way down, grabbing the foot, resting the hands on the calves. But just allowing this pose to release any tension we may be feeling in our lower body, in our legs, in our calves, and our feet. One more deep breath in. Exhale. Back to center. Inhale, switch sides. And then again, turning that core, turning your body towards that foot, keeping an active foot, not too far back, not too far forward, but nice neutral place, and folding over or staying tall. Taking a few more breaths. One more deep breath in. Exhale. Inhale back to center. We're going to be shifting into a cow face pose. So coming into this half crisscross here with our legs. We're going to tuck our left leg first and then bring our right leg over on the top. So if this is too much, stay here. If you're ready to go a little deeper, you can take that knee and rest it right on top. Stay here. If you want to go a little bit further, you can bring your hands out in front of you or gently fold over your legs. But we're going to find a spot here where we can stay for a couple minutes. Maybe closing our eyes. Letting the rhythms of the winter season outside fill our space. Letting your breath calm your body, mind. Take one more deep breath in. Exhale. Roll it up. Switch sides. Tucking the right leg now, bringing the left leg on top, and trying to find the same place on the opposite side as well. So if you are folded forward, fold forward again if you can, or stay tall if that's better, but try to find an equilibrium. Taking a few more breaths here. Taking a few more breaths here. Back to center. Next breath out. Inhale. Inhale, we're going to shift over, coming down to our backs now. Lying down on the mat here. I want you to tuck your legs in, giving yourself a nice hug. Maybe rolling side to side. Then I want you to bring your hands through the legs, grab the outside of your feet with your hands, bring the legs up, and shift into a happy baby. Opening up through the legs, through the body. 2 more breaths here. On the next breath out, take a breath in. And we're going to shift down into Shavasana. So coming down to the mat, either bring your hands to rest down on your navel, your heart, or next to your body. Keeping your eyes closed. I want you to breathe in for a count of 4. Hold. Exhale for a count of 5 to 7. Repeating a few times. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. And I want you to repeat this 5 to 10 times here. And as you breathe into this space, allow any thoughts that may be coming up to just be gently set off to the side. Allow any feelings to be felt. Acknowledge. Yet not overcome our state of relaxation here. Taking a couple more breaths. Taking one more deep breath in. Exhale. Bringing the hands together, placed at your heart now. Offer yourself some gratitude and some love for showing up on the mat today. And as always, the light within me honors the light within you. Thank you for joining me on the mat. Namaste.